Hello and welcome to another episode of Fmod in 2 minutes, a series for beginners in game audio implementation. Today we're talking about vertical musical systems. Here I have tracks that I've taken straight out of the Celeste Fmod project. If you haven't already, I really recommend you downloading this and having a look inside to see what's going on. I'll link it in the description below. What I've done is taken some tracks from one of their event and simplified it further just to exemplify a very simple vertical system in Fmod. Here I have 3 layers of music, all adhering to an intensity parameter. As the parameter goes up, these 2 layers get added on to the base layer at the top. I'll show you what we have so far and then talk about what we're going to do next. So here you have the base layer, and as I type in 0.5 in the intensity parameter, the second layer of ice gets turned on. Now what we're going to do is do exactly the same thing for the final layer, the third layer. If I click on the intensity parameter sheet over here and click the arrow for the second layer, we can see that the volume is automating from 0 to 0.5, the values of the parameter. So at 0 we don't hear it at all. And as we drag the cursor over the timeline, the volume goes up. We're going to do the same thing for fire. However, this time we want to add points from 0.5 to 1, the end of the parameter, and drag this volume down so we don't hear anything between 0 and 0.5. And then, similar to the second layer, we're going to add a little bit more of a realistic curve by clicking on this diamond shape and just dragging it up a little bit. And what we have now is the music will add the third layer from 0.5 to 1 in the parameter. Now let's unmute the track and see if that's worked. This is just one example of how to create a vertical musical system in Fmod, and there are many other ways to do so, but I hope this gives you an idea of how to apply it to different situations that you come across. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you found it useful, please subscribe for more quick beginner tips in Fmod.